Keep quiet, that's the baby.
Afahye, that's in the way. Afahye, that's in the way.
That's the baby.
Mommy, Antonan.
Oh, Yamina, don't want to say.
Man, with that drip is serious.
My camp punching.
Afahye, that with that.
Uncle smooth.
Yeah, squad on the way.
Squad no around. Don't want that. Madam, I'm going to froze. This is missing.
No, that's a true bit of everybody. We should squad for the that. If we're pursuing the building,
who strong, who dead, why delicious, why papa, and you million, some penum number wow, some penum, some
what you can say, Mom, 360. Give them. Yeah, man. You see, so this is Cape Coast, okay, and then it's the hub of beautiful women. This be what we they call portable. Everything inside, some. What's America? Charlie, what's your name?
Please, I'm Ohenewa.
Ohenewa, is this your first experience in Cape Coast?
Yeah, this is my first experience.
What dimple you? Don't want to dimple. She got dimple, man. See, your first experience. What can you say about Cape Coast Festival?
Yeah, it's really nice because during Friday, this is our first time, but I've seen so many things. People are also wearing orange. Unfortunately, I didn't bring mine, so I put on white. It's a nice, all right, thank you. It's a nice festival.
All right. Welcome to Cape Coast.
Thank you.
Nothing about Cape Coast anyway.
Techiman
all the way to Cape Coast, man. Charlie, keep it up. Right. Boy.
Pacho David.
And a book of crab or at a bus. What specs here about it?
Pardon?
What specs? Your specs of?
This spec. Actually, I want every type of a guy.
Every type of a guy,
yeah.
You are. Okay, but it's here. Where you do a book? You are here, right? So, Ebusia, for what say? As you feel, it is what it is. They would have packaged it. Without packaging is sweet. Maybe a rubber fraud.
Miss Esther.
Esther
Queen Esther.
But anyway, challenge the Afahye experience not in that moment.
Oh, when there's where she is 60th anniversary. Baby, I'm not going to pepe. Keep quiet, that's the baby.
Afahye, that's in the way. Afahye, that's in the way.
That's the baby. You are sitting now, okay.
One could see a bear.
But you're not
here. And I'm missing team. If you have one could see a number. All right. Okay, brother, this is where Buko. It's yeah, Quaba Sissy. I'll be back. No more 360. I don't want to shove it. You great. Abra form, I can say. Okay, Charlie, what's up? Today is a festival, and here we are preaching the word of God. What's the inspiration behind that?
Oh, the inspiration is that God came to call the sinners to repentance, not just all the sinners, but those who are fallen back into the world. It's a chance for them to receive Christ. So, like how they are enjoying themselves, enjoyment without Christ. My brother, it's personal.
I get it.
Once you are enjoying plus Christ says, then math is solved. The question is solved.
All right, so definitely you win some souls for Christ. Big ups. So people, it's going on. Cape Coast Festival. Oricodo Live Parado. Yes. Brother, that's the name.
You brutalistic, cocalistic, and fantastic.
And so guys, it is on. Today is extraordinary. Actually, a crazy. So this is beautiful. You know what time is it? Into Cape Coast Festival in Ogudo Orange Friday. This is Alekoto. Yes, they are arts group from Winneba. Now, one an extraordinary feeling. Afahye say it's guys, you don't need to be told. Our mouth say, we don't move. My man Fifi's, yeah. And it is what it is. I say Afahye with it.
Oh, baby, I require you. Baby, I come on.
Smooth and nice.
Yeah,
Extraordinary. Yo. I see my bad, but he's on mask. Glad. Record I. Okay, Inti, what should I see? It be pure act. What depicts the slavery and Cape Coast in the slavery in the smart say, and you can see beautiful acts from Alekoto Arts Group, and this is history. Ogwai Orange Friday, Fetu Afahye to the max. Fell. It go on. Beautiful Orange Friday Carnival coverage in the Brown extensively. My name is DJ Parker Rich. This is beautiful. So Aisha, Charlie and Ketch, you can still join us. What Cape Coast? The name is DJ Parker Rich Alikoto from Winneba. And a Wobwe Druman. It is what it is. Yo! Ezu!
Oh, yes,
Ezu!
Eza.
That's right! We're going Cape Coast! Hey. All right, it's beautiful. I said flat to the Ecuador. It is what it is. Boys to them. I said, baby. It is what it is. What's up? Nice one. fashion that with it dance.
Fashion go say pa.
Why don't?
Why
On Mama Chuka, Mama Chuka. Man with a drip is serious.
My camp punching.
Now fashion that with it dance.
Oko smooth.
Smooth.
Wala bibi alukoye.
Ata.
Nana mi ansesam. Se ansesam aye wudo.
Ata. Se. With it.
Chalo ya dodred.
Atado.
Ambayo. Atado.
Now squad on the way. Squad on the way.
Around.
I say. Yeah, squad on the way.
Squad no around. Madam mkodi fufuro. Sister na missing.
No, I said true. Be that very bad.
Muluchu.
We should squad for the that. If we consume that building. Afahye with it.
Oh, Afahye. Why the pop there? You be why just so? You be one for. Oh, yeah, me. I am going to stay. To Afahye, you are Afahye now. Afahye.
should I with it on? I'll call you my na sao ka kana mu adan so. Mambi. Misty, if you kept here, I said, what drip in here, Dawe? My 360 there, shall be 360. Number two, I said,
it's funny, but we keep it alive. You know what I'm saying?
Ebusa fish up. I feel come up. Now, I feel neighbor conscious, some na mututu here.
Attract customers.
Pedesha cabane de Friday.
Boots. I wearing boots, no pedesha.
Now I'm from that.
Or from my miss.
If you go here,
what change?
Now if you fish here, one of them.
Who strong? Come on, dad. Why delicious? Why a dog, papa? And you million. And you million. Some penum number wow. Some penum. What I do?
So brother,
go rich.
Wagwan. Tell how you see the festival?
I see. Today be my first time coming to this festival.
By the film?
As I the film, I've been connected in DJ.
I know right.
DJ Ashes.
I know right.
Go rich.
I said, hey,
the finest.
I grab one
inside.
I grab one. Hey, baby. What to tell you what? Move. Chama Wagwan.
Tell everything you cool.
You from Ghana?
Yeah man.
Hey, why you look like some Japanese?
No, I'll be fat.
Hey! I said, so far, this is the festival. How you see?
Oh, Charlie, they gone. They feel our.
By the way, I bet you for again. So.
What I say?
I said, well, God, I want to know. I said, how you see the festival?
I'm feeling okay.
Yeah. But you not say you like you for not wear orange. You for not wear orange. You now you be orange. So like you for come out the shadow. You don't see that thing. What be your name?
Dorcas.
Where you from?
Takrady.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you don't feel the Cape Festival.
Cape Coast. It's not my first time, Mama. But many
Who fancy the boy is sexy there? I say I follow more Facebook, Instagram, DJ Park or Rich, they vibe at her. Alright, we'll go.
What be the name for Instagram?
DJ Park or Rich.
DJ
Park or Rich.
Let me follow you right now. Where my Instagram is?
DJ P-A-K-O Rich. Okay, Rich. Abakasa, Epedeka Basam. Okay, so me wa the most beautiful girls in Cape Coast waha. But the whole Cape Coast, I know one way your first son. And I'm a Cape Coast if for side.
Me free UCC our mama.
UCC one. The only virgin over UCC. I'll be a human be a pair. And I'm Antobom. Okay, anyway, about something I want catch a man for.
Oh, as some guy came here, I'm my kind there. Cape fashion say nice. I as I went once in a year. And now baby fire like if you're China, it should be able to my barber show or something enjoyable. And I ever shall swap. And cano mesa wo treaty slaves na you know we need now wo me to be bia dem come
the girls wo treaty
Yenadmo.
I say, Aji Gada have baby on Canadina.
Baby,
Obiarity, woman. Oja. Na soja the mama brother. Mate.
I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.